One patient in Auckland is currently being tested for the coronavirus with what's being described as the closest to fitting the definition of a suspected case. The person has been put in isolation at Auckland Hospital and test results are expected back tomorrow. This comes as the World Health Organization declared the coronavirus a global health emergency as the virus spreads to some 18 countries, with person-to-person transmissions in 4 countries. But the Director General of Health says this declaration doesn't heighten the cause for concern in New Zealand. Political reporter Yvette McCullough has more.
It's the closest suspected case in New Zealand so far. A patient in Auckland waiting to find out if they have the coronavirus.
This is the first person that has been investigated who meets that definition. There have been testing done on a handful of people on a precautionary basis. None of those people met the suspected case definition, and in fact even those tests that were done, they came back negative.
Dr Ashley Bloomfield says he cannot give details about the person, including whether they travelled from Wuhan. But he says they're being treated in a special isolation room in Auckland Hospital.
And it has what's called negative pressure ventilation, so basically that stops the possibility of the virus being carried out in the air, and the staff looking after that person follow very strict requirements around personal protection.
It's the last suspected case that will have a question mark for so long, with ESR announcing today that testing for the coronavirus is now able to be done in New Zealand.
The turnaround time is relatively quick, a matter of a few hours, and they will be running a batch of these tests each day, once a day, which is very normal in this situation because the numbers are small, and supporting other laboratories who may be setting up that testing as well.
This morning, the World Health Organization declared coronavirus a public health emergency of international concern. Earlier today, Dr Ashley Bloomfield told reporters New Zealanders don't need to be any more concerned about the virus than they were yesterday.
We are concerned, but not alarmed. So we're concerned, and that means we're taking a precautionary approach. There's nothing in particular in the WHO announcement that raises our level of concern or our assessment of the risk here.
Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern says the declaration formalises the global response to the virus and helps give support to countries with